Alright. So, today is the winter blizzard day. I don't know how much you can see that it's just blowing around. I mean, Cody's been parked here for quite a while, and his car doesn't really have that much on it. But it's definitely blowing. Can't really see too much over there. Let's start upstairs. Whoa! It's cold. You can feel that wind in here. This is the first coat. It needs a second coat. He said they can go, you know, they can change it to whatever. They can have it be something duller than this. You know, I'm looking for people's comments and thoughts. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it too shiny? Is it not shiny enough? Alright, so I can give the painters some direction on this. That snow is coming down sideways. Okay. I received new quotes from another flooring guy. So we're working on that. This is where you're on video. Putting in the staircase here. A couple of more steps to go and then they'll be down onto the platform. Yeah, it's a video. No, this is, well, eventually. This is going on YouTube.
I thought that was all like in your phone and shit too.
Oh, no. This is going on YouTube, so.
Hey, cool, I'm on YouTube.
Well, yeah. So this is another staircase. They were just working on this finished yesterday. So you need to put some more ram board needs to go in there. Oh, God, it's cold up here. That wind is really ripping. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. The flooring that we have left, and that is still for this staircase here. Right, and then the basement staircase is the other half.